Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this quick and basic video tutorial, I would like to show how you can stop background running apps in OPPO smartphone. So that's a very simple thing to achieve. You will firstly need to open the list of recent apps. You can either do that by swiping this bar to the top like that, or you can get to the recent apps by, if your system navigation type is set to be digital buttons, just tap at the three horizontal lines button icon kinda. Once you've made it to the list of recent apps, simply tap at the close all option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.